Hello, everybody. I'm going to talk about what is cyberbullying and how we can help students handle this, and also what Yorkville School District is doing to handle cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically by sending messages of an intimidating or threatening nature. Bullying basically is misuse of power. It can be ongoing and repeated. It could be behaviors that can cause harm. And cyberbullying is something that happens online, and it's basically similar stuff. And children and students can do it online. What is Yorkville School District doing to help? If you go on the Yorkville's Community Unit School District 115 website, you have a bullying form like you see here. And this form looks like this. It's a bullying report form, which is very active, and students are allowed to download it and fill it out. The other way Yorkville School District is handling it is embedded into the content in the classroom. We have a CL in PE, which is social emotional learning, and it is approached at many different times during the year. The teachers are having 15 minutes of morning meetings, SEL time every day on related topics, and most years we also have an anti-bullying assembly that is provided by the PTO, which is very engaging, and students are exposed to a lot of different means and ways that they can approach cyberbullying. There is digital citizenship in the classrooms, which I find very empowering for the students. In ILT, which is Information Literacy Technology, we have entire units on digital citizenship. The topics change from year to year, getting more in depth as they increase in grades. This is also on the district site under curriculum, and you can see the digital citizenship outcomes from K to 12. The procedures and policies at Yorkville School: students are required to sign an acceptable use policy at the beginning of the year, and students are given a survey twice a year. Here is a link to what the survey looks like. How can Yorkville School District continue their efforts to prevent cyberbullying? Some ways that Yorkville has been doing it from a very long time is inviting parents into classrooms and workshops during the typical year. They also train staff to watch for signs of bullying. They're educating students in this matter and approaching the topic at various times during the school year. Last but not the least, we are making sure that the education platforms, which are more and more online, are safe for the students, and spreading messages through a different media that cyberbullying is not okay, and students need to speak up if they are faced with any kinds of bullying. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you like it.